Hey y'all, welcome back to Make a Wreath with me. You guys, I stumbled across doing something today, and so here it goes. I started off with just a generic 14-inch grapevine round base, and that's right, I am adding a swag base on top of it. This is just a eucalyptus swag base that I had from shoplikepoulon.com. And then what I'm doing is I'm taking 2 filler bushes from Michael's along with a fall pick that came from shoplikepoulon.com, and I'm just zip tying those straight to the base that we already had. Now I'm coming in with some hydrangeas from Michael's as well in that same color combination, and I'm just zip tying those on to the stems as well. Super easy so far, you guys. We have not used a bit of glue, and I'm just seeing how much stuff could I stuff into this, because at first it was just going to be a grapevine wreath, but as I start filling out, I'm like, well, looks like I'm making a swag on a grapevine. I love it. No mesh, straight florals, very thick because it's going straight to that grapevine. I think I'm in love with it. So I'm taking a 4-inch. I went and saw which ribbons would coordinate. So I have a 4-inch, a 1.5 inch fair silk, and then a 7/8 in a green. And I just did 2 loops of it and zip tied it right in between those hydrangeas on the base, which I really, really love, you guys. And then I'm going to come in with just some little small pumpkins that I had from Walmart, those little 98-cent pumpkins, and I'm taking a 3rd filler bush of that same stem from Michael's and filling in the sides, just gluing directly into that grapevine base, you guys, to fill it out more. Now, our next step is I'm going to add another one of those pumpkins at the top, just using a skewer and picking it right into that grapevine. And then I'm taking a maple leaf bundle and I'm just sprinkling that throughout the grapevine just to thicken up that swag base a little bit more, y'all. Going right into the grapevine with the glue and gluing those in, just to give a different dimension and a different texture as well. I also love that bundle because it comes with a flat leaf that will add a little bit of height that I need at the top for our swag, and it turns out super duper cute. Now, I also thought that it needed a little bit more of a smaller bloom, so I came in with some peonies and again some smaller like emerald green, just to tie that green back in for a traditional fall look. I absolutely love this. It's very high end. It's no mesh to this, but it still has its thickness. So right now, y'all, I'm sold on the swag little grapevine. I'm sure you can do that without that swag base, if you know what I mean. Zip tied, girl. Super cute. I love it. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys next time. If it's your first time watching me, make sure you like, share, and follow this page and share it with a friend. See you guys next time. Bye.